to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Welcome to Vlogmas. In case you're new here, my name is Carol, a Ghanaian girl working and living in UAE. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to wash your washing machine. I know some of you don't wash your washing machines. Be honest in the comment section. Do you? Before I start washing, I want to show you things that I'm going to be using so that you can also prepare yours and we start cleaning these washing machines. Washing machines, they have this, sometimes when you take long without washing them, they have bad smell. Like there's a smell that comes out of it. So sometimes when we finish washing, we leave them open. I don't know what's that smell, but if you take long without washing them, there is a smell that comes out of them. I wish you can smell them so that you understand what I'm saying. And then there is another problem. If you don't wash your washing machines, anytime you put, let's say, white clothes, after washing, when you remove them, you will find they are like small black dirty things on your clothes. Have you ever seen that? If you have ever seen that, that means your washing machine is dirty. You need to wash it. So I'm going to show you things I'm going to be using so that we can start cleaning. First thing first, I'm going to be using water. This is a spray bottle and what is inside, it's water, you guys. This is water. So if you have a spray bottle or you can DIY yours, you can still use, if you have a glass cleaner and you have the bottle, empty bottle, you can use that. You can wash it and use that as your spray bottle. So for me, I have this one. My boss got it from IKEA. Yeah, she bought many of these, so I have this one, you guys. And then I have this washing soap. This one, you guys, you can use any that you have. You don't need to buy fairy. I don't know if it's called fairy or fairy, whatever it is called. This one, you guys. Dish washing soap. Then we have vinegar. I have this type of vinegar. So it's the one that I'm going to be using. I'm going to mix it with water. Okay, as you're going to see right now, I'm going to mix everything together. And then I'm going to use this brush. This is old brush. I'm no longer using it. I have new one. So I'm going to be using also this toothbrush to clean there where my hand cannot reach. Okay, that's why I'm going to be using this. So let's mix our things, you guys. So our water is here, but I think this is a lot of water. Anyways, and then I'm going to add vinegar, this one. I'm going to add in some vinegar. Actually, you can use also this vinegar to clean your chicken. You know, sometimes when you wash the chicken, it keeps smelling. So you can use this vinegar to clean your chicken, to clean your fruits, your vegetables, your fruits. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm from Africa. We just use our eyes to measure things. Whether it is salt, sugar, whatever it is, we use our eyes. That is a gift that God gave us. So I'm putting soap. I want to smell it. I feel like it is going to be smelling. The vinegar is very, very sharp. Let's add some vinegar because we want to clean that, all the dirty. Okay. It's going to be funny. I don't know if my phone is recording. It's going to be funny if I finish mixing everything and I find my phone is not recording. I will cry. Okay, let's do and then shake. Okay, you guys, so this is what we are going to be using. Let's go and start cleaning the machine. So guys, this is how our machines looks like. This is soap, you guys. This here and here. This side, you guys, you can see how they look like. This is the second one. This one smells bad. that's it, you guys. Our washing machines are so clean, and that's how I clean them. You can try and tell me in the comment section how did it go. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I love you. Bye bye.